Hello, everyone. My name is Yong I'm a Microsoft MVP. I'm also an organizer at Kesuga.ai. So if you're not aware, Kesuga is the most active Kubernetes user group plus AI user group. I'm also a Kubastronaut and plus I'm an advisor at Exostellar. It's a startup company mainly focused on the infra optimization, your AI workload optimization, Kubernetes cost optimization, and also HPC workload optimization. So for those of you who are interested to join us to learn, continuously to learn, we're running the meetup every month. So here is a QR code. Before I start the session, I really want to show off my digital badges. So as you can see, I'm probably one of the most certified person, multi-cloud certified in the world. And I'm one of the first Kubastronaut globally. Okay, for those of you who are not aware, to become a Kubastronaut, collect the Kubastronaut badge, you need to complete all the certifications of the Kubernetes. Okay, now let's learn. So you guys are probably all aware, AI is everywhere. So the stats I put here is probably from 1.5 years ago. You can see the investment in the AI, it's huge. And the research on the AI also, quite a significantly increased since, 2014. And you might be surprised that 50% of the organizations already adopted AI, at least in one of the business areas. So one of the thing a lot of people might be confused, and including myself. So I did a little bit of research about the different terms. What is AI? What is machine learning? What is deep learning? What is GenAI and LLM? So I did a little bit of research, and I include the links here on the page as well. This chart does give you some clarification. So what is artificial intelligence? So in a short, AI describes the capabilities of the machine to learn and solve problems, just like humans. So in other words, AI refers to the replication of humans, how it thinks, works, and functions. So here is a few examples, like a virtual assistant. You might have heard of the Hey Siri, Hi Google, and some of the chatbots, and also other examples, including language translation. These are just a few examples of the leveraging the AI capabilities. What about machine learning? Machine learning is a subfield of AI. ML uses algorithms to accomplish different types of tasks, such as classification, regression, or clustering. So the accuracy of algorithms increases with an increase in data. So here is a few examples, like image recognition, NLP, natural language processing, speech recognition, anomaly detection, and so on. What about the deep learning? Deep learning basically is a subset of machine learning. Deep learning is based on the artificial neural network, which is nothing but a mimic of the working of the human brain. So a few examples here: image classification, object detection, so like a facial recognition, autonomous vehicles. These are the examples of the deep learning. What about Gen AI? So generative AI is a branch of AI in general under the AI umbrella. It's a subset of deep learning, focuses on creating models capable of generating new content that resemble existing data. So GenAI uses its knowledge of what it has learned through machine learning or deep learning to create new content. It could be text, it could be images, could be music, similar to how humans do. So a few examples here, like image generations. video synthesis, or social media content creation. So the last one is about LLM, or large language model. LLM is a type of generative AI designed and trained to understand and generate human languages. So LLM can create written content, answer questions, or translate materials and more. To put it all together, ChatGPT is one type of LLM, which is a type of a generative AI, which is based on the deep learning, which is a type of a machine learning, all under AI umbrella. So I hope it gives some more clarification about AI, ML, DL, GenAI, or LLM. So now the question is, why Azure AI? I did a little bit, survey. So basically, the survey was done about 1 month ago. As you can see from the screen, who is leading AI? So Amazon is pretty interesting. Amazon is talking about the future of AI will run on Amazon. So Google says AI is the thing today, not tomorrow. Microsoft didn't say much. Instead, Microsoft quietly lead the way to AI. So you can see from the screen. So among the 754 votes, 41% vote Microsoft is a leader. And not to mention, Microsoft also heavily invested OpenAI, which got 30% vote here. I don't know if you guys are aware, since 2019, Microsoft has invested OpenAI in total $13 billion. So what is Azure AI? So Azure AI is an enterprise-ready AI services for your production workload. As you can see from the screen, Microsoft does provide lots of different AI services from language understanding to translation, visual recognition. All the services powered by OpenAI, plus all the services like vision, speech, language, etc. And all these has already been used by all these popular tools from Microsoft. And here is another table to show you Azure AI, where used in Microsoft Cloud solutions. So what are the typical AI use case? That's the first column listed here. So what are the products listed here from Microsoft? And what services is powered by Azure OpenAI or machine learning or Azure AI services? On the top right-hand side, you can see all these customers are actually already using Microsoft Azure AI services. Okay, talking about Azure AI service, here is a high level what services are provided by Azure AI. So on the bottom of the screen, you can see it was built on top of the Azure cloud based on the AI infra. And on top of that, you have the Azure machine learning platform, and then powers all different services from Azure AI, bot service, vision, speech, language, form recognizer, etc. So all of these services, how to manage that? So let me introduce Azure AI Studio. So right now it is in public preview. On the bottom of the screen, you can see if you go to ai.azure.com, you can access the Azure AI Studio. So in short, Azure AI Studio is your all-in-one AI platform for building, evaluating, and deploy general AI solutions and custom co-pilots. So talking about co-pilots, so here the co-pilots powered by Microsoft Azure OpenAI. You have the Microsoft 365 co-pilots to Dynamics 365, and then you have a co-pilot in Power Platform plus Microsoft Security Co-pilot. Actually, to the right-hand side, the GitHub co-pilot, that's the first one from Microsoft introduced the co-pilot. Okay, so talking about open AI, let me just give you a few use cases to show you a few examples. On the left-hand side, you got GPT-3 and GPT-4. Basically, you can provide the text inputs based on the GPT-3. The difference between GPT-3 and the 4 is GPT-3 is only capable of accepting text inputs because it is a unimodal, and images and other data types cannot be handled by GPT-3. GPT-4, in contrast, supports multi-modality. So in this example here, you can ask, say, can you summarize this personal financial article in 2 sentences? You got the response listed here. And the second example is based on the codex. So basically, you want to generate the SQL query based on the input here. So you got the response, you get the exact command to run the SQL query. The third example listed here is based on DALL-E. So you can ask, say, I want to create a ball of fire with vibrant colors to show the speed of innovation. You get the response, this is a pretty cool image. And the last but not least, based on the ChatGPT, you might have trouble to turn on your Xbox. You can ask ChatGPT, you get the response, and they give you the instructions. First, you can check this. Second, last, where you can check to fix the problems. You can even ask, say, for some recommendations. What games do you recommend for 14 years old? Okay, that's just a few examples based on the Azure Open AI. So with that, let me jump to the web console. I really want to show you the Azure AI Studio. So I jump to my web browser. If you go to ai.azure.com, it will take you to this page once you log in using your Azure portal account. In the home page, you can see here is you can explore all different cutting edge models, not only from Microsoft, you can see all the models from OpenAI, could be from other third party like a Meta, Llama, for example. You can also use Microsoft provided the AI service like a speech, a language translate, vision. You can explore all different documentation pages. And you can, if you want, you can watch the video tutorial. On the left-hand side, you might notice you've got a model catalog. Basically, these are the existing model. You can find the right model. You can build all your custom AI solutions from a different provider. So like OpenAI, Mistral, Meta, Llama, etc. It's surprising that there are already 1,600 plus models existing here. You can go to the model benchmark. So the model benchmark, basically, it can provide you some, metrics. So evaluate your model performance. And you got the option to evaluate to browse the existing prompt catalog. So based on the travel, some of the example like a travel assistant, or could be real estate agent assistant. You can filter based on the modalities. Let's say image, let's say video, or you can based on industry, or based on the tasks, for example. Okay, these are just a few examples. You can use the filter, and you can choose any one of the service based on Azure Open AI or based on Azure AI services. You can switch to different directory. Okay, bottom of the screen, you can see you can manage all AI hubs. You can manage your resource and the keys. You can manage your code, etc. So how to get started? The first step is you need to create a new project. And once you click a new project, you need to give a name. You need to also create a new AI hub. I'm not going to walk you through the whole steps. Yes, you can give it a try by yourself. Yeah, by the way, I'm also, just starting to learn the AI Studio. Okay. So with that, yeah, let me come back to the slide deck. Yeah, just to give you a really short demo of the AI, Azure AI Studio. So just to give you a few links, so how to get started to scaling up with AI on Microsoft alone. Here is a link. If you are interested, you can join the Azure AI community on Discord. So with that, yeah, thank you for watching. I hope it is useful to you. Yeah, please feel free to follow me by any one of the links. Yeah, enjoy your day.